Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase, and these are some of the top stories making headlines today. Now, there is continued protest in Halfway Tree as Mr. Maitland is seeking bail from allegations that he took the life of Donna Lee Donaldson. Now, there must be justice for Donna Lee Donaldson and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and also drop a comment in the comment section. Now, Sophia Lugg, the mother of Donna Lee Donaldson, also stated that her oldest daughter was going through Donna Lee's belongings and found a birthday card from 2 years ago that stated that Donna Lee was his rock and his best friend forever. She's stating that she does not know what to do with this psychopath. And reading the card is proving to her that maybe the baby mother was responsible for what took place. May I make you hear what the uncle have to say? They will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Last time nobody hear from my niece. I know this Prime Minister don't come on, come say a word. Little shot fire tower when you reach over there. As I am strong one. So the Queen die. We know we are Commonwealth country. To the Queen in England. But listen to me. You don't think the Queen fix up your backyard before she step in nobody's backyard? This Prime Minister, what him do? Him get order for 12 days to cease all events in mourning of the Queen. But the Queen never get state funeral because them have her body. No offense to Scotland Yard. No offense to nobody from England. England is my place. I'm love. Never been there yet, but I love this. When you hear me talk of Scotland Yard, I chat to me, I chat. But hear the truth of the matter. This Prime Minister need to get him house in order. Him do things just to look good. Yeah? Do things just to look good. Something like this. At one point, the minister them come on me yard. Yep, entourage, roadblock, excitement. Never seen them back. And my mommy is still missing. My sister still in hospital. We don't see the MP for this area. I don't even know who's the MP. Can somebody tell me who's the MP? East St. Andrew. Please. Somebody can just come on the live and type it up. But I remember last night. The last time I think was Peter Phillips. I don't know right now, but trust me. We don't see the MP, we don't see no councillor. Nene was a lady where always run up and down in here. Peter Phillips threw her out, put in one. Another girl, young lady. Oh my word alone, she come. We don't see no councillor, no farmer representative from the political party who claim to say they are for the people. No farmer representative right now that will come pass through my yard. Minister Babsy Gaines, Minister Orius Strong and him team came there one time, apart from news media. Now people, you might not know this, so I point out these things to you. A case like this, a young girl missing was taken from her home by a policeman. Until today, this day, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months and 2 days, and nothing yet. You hear nothing. And honestly, I tell me, say, a politician will come out, come say nothing. The MP for the area, the councillor, the Prime Minister make a speech on it. Them are come out and make a press conference and give the public a follow-up on this case. Like I call them other case, major case like this. Yes, them have the follow-up and yes, them have a press conference and a release it. Nothing at all. Just nothing, just waiting on Friday. I don't know what them are think. Trust me, at this stage, you don't know everything. But me know, if you fact them want to give bail. Jamaican. and make Noel Maitland get bail.
Now we have to listen to what Uncle Neela say. He's stating that the state is only concerned when there's an opportunity for a photo op, meaning it's something that can make them look better in the eyes of the public, and that thought and care about individuals going through the situation has seemingly never crossed their mind. Now, Sophia Lugg stated in the post, "Blessed love to you all, my people. My oldest daughter was going through her sister Donna Lee's belongings today, and just look at what she came across. It is a birthday card from Noel Maitland 2 years ago telling my baby girl that she's his rock and how she will be his best friend forever." Now she stated, "People, please tell me, what should I do to this psychopath? Please tell me." She said, "Even reading this card is proving to me that maybe the baby mother could somehow be the one who did the act, and Noel is covering for her, but he's just as bad, maybe even worse, and all the others who were involved, truth be told." She also stated that thoughts of the situation has given her mind no rest. She continues to wonder, what have they done with her daughter? A very tough situation for any parent, regardless of how old your child is. There must be justice for Donna Lee Dance and her family. And if you agree, drop a like on the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Now on to the other stories making headlines today. Now people must also have to make you see that situation, because I don't know what take place at the wharf. Whether you are doing legitimate business, you are send your things them, you are returning resident, whatever is the case, the wharf needs a look into. The already point out say illegal weapons and make it through the wharfs. Guns will carry out crime and violence against Jamaican citizens. So why it's so hard for you to clear a barrel full of food? May I make on here what go on that will contain the reasoning. Look and listen.
Me just tell you to calm down.
No, what when we reach to this extent, what me have to do?
Calm down, miss.
Come on, man. Come on. All the people that were coming here and see me face, they do what they want to do and gone and me can't get through. Why? Why? Jesus Christ Almighty God.
I look like somebody's sitting on a park.
What man? Let me can't get the stuff them. Look how far me I come from. I'm from 4 o'clock to the far road and me can't come out here. Dear God. Lead me, fella. Lead.
No, man, no,
No,
man.
me no want you hug me up. No, me can't hug no more cup culture. No.
People, these are things that we need to stand up for. This is something that can be changed very, very easily. We don't know if the state are trying to get extra taxes from people who are bringing things from overseas. And maybe that is why goods and commerce is at the level where it is today. Because Jamaica, even though we manufacture a lot of things that we sell and use on a day-to-day basis are made overseas, and then make it increasingly expensive to bring these things into the island. Listen to me, they're not making it hard to ship it. Them not carry things per ship. Them not own a plane. But when your goods reach to Jamaica and reach on Jamaican shores, them want to tell you how much money you have to pay to get your goods. That is wrong. We are talking about third world country and a developing economy. That is wrong. Them a make the economy hard. Them a make it hard for businesses grow and thrive. This lady said she did the place from how long? How much other individuals come and pass her. But maybe because she have more than one barrel, she sound like she travel. So maybe she go overseas, forward out here, and she bring in some stuff. Now them gonna see a whole heap of barrel of different type of things, food, electronics, things of that nature. And I wonder how them gonna price her now. And I wait till everybody gone. So maybe them can get a big outrageous bill. This not right. And I am of the belief that the country will grow faster if the wharves allowed legitimate individuals to bring in legitimate goods. Screening should be done for illegal goods, weapons, contraband, things of that nature. But a barrel full of food, if you don't check the barrel and realize say nothing illegal is in there, then why it's so hard for you to clear it? Why you have to pay double for your car when it reach a wharf? If you got to tell the people say, we are thinking about the climate, and older model cars are emit too much emissions. We're bad for the climate. So why you not make it easier for Jamaican citizens get newer cars? Why you have to pay the duty of an entire vehicle? They must say the economy now growing. It's like at the back of poor people them want to ride until it become better. It can't work so. Elevate the country, then more taxes would be paid. If we'd have more businesses, we'd have more business, we have pay tax. Simple as that. If we'd have more businesses, we can scale up and become big businesses, then we'd have solved the employment issues. We ask the people them why our intellects go to college and then go overseas, go seek work and employment, and then give their skills and expertise to another country. There are no jobs on the island for them. Where them go work? The call center them now build fast enough to employ the people. And that is the truth of the situation. And then again, after you go to college for much years, spend much money, you still have to go work your way up in the call center industry. Because a lack of experience. Them are going to retrain you again. So the particular area where you go to school for, you'll not be employed in that sector. So if I like you like that and that's why you go to school for it, you're not going to get no work for that. But yeah, I tell the youth them, go to school. The WAF need to leg of the people them and make them business function. But still feel like say, the state now look into areas where their attention is needed so that the economy can run right. The crime and violence that we see are going up on the island. But now I'm going to say it's only fueled by the economy. Because you have senseless crime and violence are going out upon the island too. We don't have nothing to do with monetary gain. Just people's hearts becoming desperately wicked. So that take place too. We're not going to say name. But recently them pointed out the fact of illegal weapons. That is a business that is driven by monetary gain. You see the illegal weapons game, that's not a free something. It's a big money business. Recently the JCF listed how much for firearms on the island. When you see it, if you say, wait, then a man we can buy 2 of them things and could have buy a house. Could have put a coaster up on the road and make millions a year time. But no, weapons are what them choose to invest in. But think about it. If illegal weapons can pass through the wharves, why it's hard for you ship a Beamer or a Benz? Why it's hard for you ship a barrel full of food, some clothes and a little electronics from your auntie them overseas? Why you have to pay so much when them look on top and see the electronics on top? Talk to me in the comment section. I know what you only think about the wharf situation. You know what I mean? I just say, justice for Donna leaders. If you're new to the channel, just pass through subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and drop your comment in the comment section. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.